Here's how you can build your portfolio from scratch as a beginner in data analysis preparing for next year. Now, this is what this video, you should save this video because it's going to help you, and you can build your portfolio within the remaining few days of this year as against doing that next year. Now, the first thing you need to do is, what industry do you want to work in? Which industry do you want to work in? Would you love to work in? Once you're able to niche down and figure out, okay, this is what I would love to do, then you need to know that the next thing is picking a real problem that you are affected. I am affected by that problem that if you solve, creates a huge impact in the society, in the economy. For example, one of my projects that I did was the food price, analyzed a food trend from 2002 up to 2024, and that was one of the projects that earned me callbacks. So that's one of the things you should have at the back of your mind. Whatever you are going to do has to solve a problem, and it has to be a problem that people are plagued by, people are affected by. Now, the first thing is you have to niche down, pick the industry you want to work in. Now, the second thing you have to do is solve a problem. No matter the data set you pick, no matter whatsoever you've picked, solve a problem. Pick a real world data set, and please don't go to Kaggle. I personally don't like Kaggle, and none of my portfolio projects was ever picked from Kaggle. I don't like Kaggle for portfolio projects. I use Kaggle to practice and all, but for portfolio projects, there are various sites you can use apart from Kaggle that will give you great, amazing project that when you clean it, it will give you real world projects that you can clean, analyze, and visualize and solve a problem with. But one thing you should have at the back of your mind is, no matter the project, no matter the data set you pick, no matter the projects you're going to work on, you have to solve a problem. That is the first thing. You have to solve a problem, because that is one thing that will make you stand out. Solve a problem. Now, the next thing is you have to tell a story with the problem you solved. How will I tell the story or something? It depends on how you write it in your portfolio, in your website or your GitHub. I use GitHub. But how you present it, you need to tell a story. Okay, I picked this data set from here. This was what I find out, and this was what I did to solve it. Oh, I did this, I did that. This were the tools I used. So tell a story, and this is how I was able to solve it, and this is the solution to the problem. If you're having this problem as well, how about you do this to solve the problem? Tell a story with the problem and the solution. Let there be a flow in the story you are telling, so your audience won't get lost. Tell a story that captivates your audience, and that's it. Niche down, pick a data set, a real world data set, solve a problem, tell a story with it. Tell a story, put it in the faces of people, tell a story with it. That's how to build your portfolio project. Don't just use any data set you see. From this you just pick it. No, don't use any random data set. Let it be a data set that really intrigue you, that really excites you and captivates you, that you really want to clean, because at the end of the day you might get bored of it. Let it be a data set that really excites you, so you'll be able to actually flow with the data set as well. And that's it. I hope. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. Bye.